Afternoon.
Hajafanya anastahili kufanya ndio athibitishie Wakenya kwamba amefanya wajibu wake katika kukabili ufisadi.
Let us not sit back and expect miracles. When it comes to corruption, let us not sit back because Uhuru and Ruto will not act. We need to take control of our destiny as we did in all other major reforms that have been achieved in Kenya. There is no change that we have achieved in this country because the government gave it to us. We have done it for ourselves. We have always had to fight the government even for the most basic of changes.